Yo, what up? Welcome to Kyle and ADHD. Guys, I'm going to give you a little tour on the Troopy runner today, my Overland rig I live out of. And we're on a 50-state road trip in this thing. And this is unlike any other Overland 4Runner you guys have seen. This has got a fridge, this has got a power station, this has got a slide-out kitchen. This has got a fluffy steering wheel. You know what I mean? I'm saying it's got the works. And it's got a big old fluffy dog. Let's start on it with the nitty-gritty. Oh, and it's a double-decker with the pass-through. You probably don't even know what that means. We'll check it. So we got a propane tank right here that's 1 pound. Usually lasting for like 2 or 3 weeks. Shovel and axe holder. I would not recommend that brand because it doesn't work very well. It scratches the crap out of this thing. You're gonna need a spacer on here, and these things just jiggle around and stuff like that. They need to perfect that design. These are the states we've been to, and yo, I'm gonna be doing all these again. You know what I'm saying? So like. And that's just with this vehicle. That's not with multiple vehicles. The interior build. This is what's dope about this. So we got the slide-out kitchen. Right. We got a little sink area right here. You can like drain stuff or whatever. Utensils drawer. Got the stove. All that cool stuff, right? We got storage down below. We got storage in here. Keep my clothes in here. This is like, you know, stuff for like brushing your teeth, bathing and stuff like that. Dog food and stuff in here with some books over here. Let me climb on in here. Got some books, Atomic Habits. We got the Bible. We got some Fruits of the Forest. And we got our fridge right here. Now what's powering that fridge? Well, I'll show you. It's right here. Got this blue Yeti AC 180 right here, and that's powering everything in here. And what's cool about it, I'll show you something later, is I don't even have to have solar panels to charge it. It's really cool. But you know what? It's getting kind of cramped in here. Maybe if I just like, oh my, what? What? I can stand? What? Let me turn on some lights. Oh my gosh. Yo, check this out, man. See if I can put you right. Oh, I can't. Okay. So these are each of the sleeping platforms, right? So we got, this is 1 inch thick honeycomb aluminum. So we just slap that over here. These right here, these are sleeping pads, okay? They're those squishy things. These just kind of slap up here. Just go right in the corners like this. Boom. Oh, solar panels are over here. So we're just going to slap this right here. Boom, just like that. Boom. 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 Oh, that one came off the track. And boom. Let me organize it a little better. Looks a little shady. I'm just gonna go. And this one does come up too. So you got like all that room. You got a ton of room in here. Ton of room. Ton of space. Just get these windows open. Now what I did was I went out and bought a CVT Mount St. Helens tent, and I cut the bottom out of it. Then I cut the roof out of my 99 4Runner. And then this is an aluminum platform right here covered with leather. It's bolted and glued onto the roof. I wanted a Troopy carrier, but those cost $80,000 with, you know, the cutout roof and the build and this and that. They're just ridiculously priced. So I built one for $6,000. All right, awesome. Let's get in here a little better. This is my goose down sleeping bag. I got it from a thrift store and it's overpriced. It's $40, but it keeps you warm. I built all of this out of one platform of 4x8 wood because Home Depot's cutter wasn't working. So I was like, crap, but I made it work. So yeah, we already got that. Boom, bam. Now I built this in 2.5 days, so bear with me, okay? I haven't even painted it yet. We got lights in here. Boom, dude. You just click this on. Dude, we got lights. Got lights over here. Oh, wait, no. Click, there we go. We got lights in here. Lights it up at night. It's all nice. Now, those lights are going to be upgraded. I just slapped those on here when I was camping. And I was like, yeah, it works. Got storage right here. Now, this, it's still looking a little dry. You know, I need to go shopping. But, you know, been traveling through, I'm not going to tell you, states. And I haven't taken a shower in, it's been 5 days. I really need to take a shower. Dude, I feel nasty. Finally found a state park, though. I've been boondocking out in the woods for a while. And, yeah, so dope. That's the sock, you know, in case things get really spicy at night. I'm just joking. Where am I? Out of my drinking water. This is my drinking thing. So this is pretty cool. Instead of setting up a whole like thing to like drink out of, you can just go like this. See how cool that is? And give me an example. Got this in Alaska. Spicy. Yum. Anyways, so that's great, dude. You just fill up that 5-gallon jug. And boom, bam. Works out great. This is my sawed off, just in case things get spicy. And if things get really spicy, come on, pepper spray. So, yeah. So that's in here. Let me get down from here. Woohoo! Awesome, dude. Take you over here. Oh, that's not a pee jug. Yeah, that's all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? I got storage down below. Another sock. Oh, man. Yeah, this is some of my camera equipment. It's being filmed on a DJI right now, but this is where all my really good quality pictures are, you know, and then this is the setup for the DJI. That's my suit because I'm going to a wedding right now. My hula girl. Yeah, guys. And, of course, my Velcro. You know what's great? I know I'm going to give someone a business idea, but whatever. I ain't trying to make money. Stick that right there. America. Alright, cool. Yeah, another hat. Eee. Another day in paradise. Cool. Awesome, dude. Got some rigids, you know, for lighting up the night. And this is the front, dude. Got my leveling blocks down there. The Troopy runner. And stickers. Blockbuster. Pretty basic, guys. And as things get cold, I got my wool blanket right here. Got my map when things get crazy. My calendar. Some bitches brew coffee. Yeah, pretty cool stuff, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't, click like and subscribe if you like this video, man. I got a ton of content coming your way. So, yeah. I'll catch you guys on the road. Peace.